It is rare to find a product that's so flexible and can give you so much information from so many different angles. Hi, my name's Phil Muscatello and I'm the host and producer of the Shares for Beginners podcast, and I've been using Sharesight since 2019. Right from the start, I found Sharesight really easy to use. Just dig into it, have a play around, and you just suddenly realise that there's all this information and the power of this information to help you become a better investor. I'm not from a financial services background, and I've invested poorly for many years. So I've been learning a lot about how the financial system works, how to best invest, and this is sort of where I came across Sharesight as well, which is a fantastic tool, not just for recording your trades, but also for giving you a bit more of a roadmap about how to move forward in investing. I just think it's such a fantastic tool for tracking what you're doing, for seeing what you're doing, for mapping out the road ahead with your investing, and actually just seeing how you're performing. What it helps you to do is actually look into the future and look at what the possibilities are in terms of that passive income. I'd recommend anyone just try out the free version and see if it's a good fit.